Okay, first to connect the air from the air compressor, connect the air tube, and then switch on the machine by the power switch. Once power switch up, the power light is on, and let's check the control panel. This emergency button. Once you press it, the machine will be stopped immediately. And let's go to touch screen. There's Chinese and English. Let's go to English. Okay, you can see the screen. The product number is 1 2 3 4 5 is for you to set the save your parameter. Okay, this number 1 parameter, number 2 parameter. So if you have different filling volume, you can save your parameter. Okay, so currently is number 1. Okay, for the weight is you can set your save your parameter for the weight. Okay, number 1 to 200, and you press number 2, you can set different filling weight. Okay, so weight is the target filling volume you want. Okay, and after you set the filling volume, you test, you weight your materials, and you get 183. Then you enter 183 here, and then it will count this 183 to this pass. Okay, so after we do the filling, it will give you exact 200 gram. Okay, so this automatically count the pass to meet 200. Okay, so something like that. If you want 200, okay, then you do the filling once and scale it on the scale, and you get exact 183 gram. Okay, then you enter the 183 gram here and auto compute to the pass. Okay, this system will give you the pass. Okay, will give you the pass to fill 200. Okay, so next fill it will give you 200 gram. Okay, so this is smart system. Okay, so the pass is the screw running term. How many terms? Okay, is 500 pass is one term. 500 pass is one term. Okay, it's one round of the screw. Okay, and this one is for adjustment, small adjustment. Plus is plus 500 pass. Minus is minus 50. Sorry, minus minus is minus 50. Okay, press plus is increase 50 for you to adjust the filling volume. Okay, and stop and start is turn off the machine. Okay, and this one no blanking, and blanking is filling, turn on or turn off filling function. Okay, if I press this one, okay, the machine started automatically. Okay, you can see it's running. Okay, and conveyor is running as well. Okay, so the automatically is under automatic mode already. So after you put the bottle, the machine will do the automatically filling. Okay, and if you want to open the filling function, you can press this one. Okay, so this one is filling on. If you don't want to do the filling, just press this one. Okay, so it will not do the filling. Okay, so let's turn off. Okay, and cumulative, this one is the setting target. Okay, this one is current filling volume. Okay, current filling number, how many bottles we have filled. And go to menu page. Menu page is each function of the machine. Okay, blanking is filling. Okay, filling. stir is the mixing. Okay, let's check. Okay, it's mixing. Then turn off. Okay, it's turn off. Okay, fading. We don't have fading here, and stopping leak, and we don't have this function. Which, since we don't connect the fading machine, this one is not usable, and this one is not usable as well. Front gear and back stop is the blocker. Okay, blocker. Okay, front blocker and back blocker. Okay, front blocker and the back blocker. Okay, this one is conveyor. Okay, conveyor. So after you press this one, the conveyor will run. Okay. Okay. Stop. Okay. And for press jar, we don't have this function on this machine. Okay. Let's go to automatically page and go to parameter. Okay, so here is the parameter settings. Okay, blank delay is filling delay. Once the sensor sense the bottle, it will come this delay. After this delay, it will do the filling. Okay. Leakage, since we don't have this function, this one just ignore, and river gear delay return. Okay, so for the back blocker, how many times delay after this blocker will move back? Okay, will move back. So after how many minutes, how many seconds, the back blocker will return. Okay, delay return of front gears is okay. For parameter page, blank delay is the filling delay. So after sensor, once the sensor sense the bottle, how many seconds after this, how many seconds later, it will do the filling. So after this 0.3 seconds, the filling will start. Okay, and leaking, stop delay, and river gear delay return, just ignore those because we don't have those two functions. And delay return from gear is related to the front blocker, which is after the bottle move out, it will wait how many seconds to allow the next bottle in. Okay, and the rear gear delay return, and related to this back blocker. Okay, this one is after finish the filling, how many seconds will the back this one how many seconds this one will move back to allow the bottle out. Okay, the delay is how many seconds after this one will move back to allow the bottle out. Okay, and this one rear gear delay is after this one move back, how many seconds? So after the bottle move out, after this one move back, how many seconds this one will go out again? Okay, so which means after bottle move out, this one will move out, so this delay should be longer than the bottle move out. Okay, so otherwise the blocker will touch with the bottle, will destroy the bottle. So this delay should be longer than the bottle move out time. Okay, so this one. Okay, this one should be longer than the bottle move out time. Okay, and this is storage the to save the parameters. Okay, to save parameters. And this one, stereo out of sync, which means the mixer, well, if you turn off, the mixer is always running. Okay, it's always running. And if you turn it on, the mixer is owning do the mixing when the screw is running, when the filling is running. Okay, so if you turn on this function, the mixer will only start when the filling is working. Okay, so this is a function. Okay, and the filling waiting time, well, since we don't connect to the filling machine, this one just ignore it. Okay, that's it.